in Bangkok. We're kind of near Chinatown. We're at this little river. Yeorwarat 35 is what it says here. So I'll label that accordingly in case somebody else wants to find it. Got some Bangkok, baby. Chinatown. So we're going to be walking through the alleys of this kind of cool, it's right next to the, it's on the peripheral part of Chinatown, and we're following this canal, and this narrow little canal with lots of cool stuff all the way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'll put it on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then I'm going to do a 75-second preview with music, and then I'm going to do the walk and talk where I go by with the camera, you can see it all. And if you look below, I'll have some other Bangkok ones. I filmed Bangkok many times, so I have some links down below, and I'll have more that I'll be uploading over the next, every 5 days for the next maybe 2 months. So, okay, Bangkok. So we're gonna walk down this river. Let me just kind of give you an idea of where we are. So it looks like a little bit of a cool spot. And there's some nice artwork as well. The musician just stopped, which is unfortunate, but it's okay. I think we're gonna just stroll down a little bit and then we're gonna come back. Give an idea of what it is all about. So actually this is some bright fake flowers. I think I'm gonna go down this way in the shade. But let me just kind of show you real quick. So good, he's gonna start again. Kind of like that background music. So this is a Market Street. I just filmed it the last Bangkok video that I did. Strawberries. Okay. So my plan is to go up this one, but I also kind of want to capture this guy a little bit. cool artwork. So let me just walk a little bit into this kumpat soda. Wow, this looks nice all the way down. Looks like a recycling center there. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way down to this crosswalk and then we're gonna come back around. I think these are people's houses, but they also have businesses too. Little slice of Bangkok for you, that in case you saw these little alleys too. Okay, Tanya restaurant, Indian Bangladesh. Hello. So we got some Indian food. Let's see what else we got here. Some nice little alleys and streets in here. Huh, bunch of Indian restaurants. Is that one too? Yeah. Mama's Indian Cuisine, Punjab Indian food. So we got a little stretch of Indian restaurants in here. Another Indian restaurant here too. Huh. Kind of really got a monopoly on the street for the restaurants here. Hello, how are you? Check out these apartments. Take a door right there. Walk out on the balcony. Okay, so we're gonna go across this street. That's gonna feel really nice. Zafran, another Indian restaurant. Huh. Got a little row of Indian restaurants here. And we're gonna go over to the other side and walk back the other way. And we're just giving you a little taste of Bangkok. Something a little bit different. Sorry, car's moving. Nice little river walk here. Bangkok is just kind of filled with all kinds of interesting stuff everywhere, so I'm looking forward to this side because it's going to be shaded. Let me just see what this is real quick. It's an alley all the way through here too. But we're gonna stick to the waterfront. Hello. 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 So a lot of nice restaurants, nice friendly people. Oops. Lots of places to sit along this river too. I like how they're beautifying, how they beautified this river. Made it into a nice place to eat at restaurants. Let's want to take a look real quick here. I guess we're still technically in Chinatown. So pretty cool. So let's head back on up. Lots of restaurants. There's even a little mural with the history. I still were on the edge of Chinatown because I see lots of red lanterns when I look in the alleys. Chili peppers. I feel like I'm in Chongqing, China. I was just there about a week ago. So they have a lot of oh. Okay. Hello. Those peppers are so hot. I breathe them in, I'm coughing. So we're gonna go back to this space up here and then we're gonna end the video. But at least you got another taste of Bangkok. Okay, so we're back where we started, and I'm going to end the video.